guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming from our front room. I don't really know what to call this room. I kind of just refer to it as a front room, but it's like got a little bit of an office setup. It's just a nice space to just chill out, relax, unwind, maybe just sit on this beanbag, read a book. In the winter we put the log fire on, there's no TV in here. And yeah, welcome to my front room. So I have very kindly been gifted a very large box, which I can't lift up properly. I have very kindly been gifted this by Social Network Solutions. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to receive a hamper. They are a digital marketing agency. I'll leave a link to their website down below. And essentially they are one of those websites that connects brands with bloggers, hence why this video has come about today. I've actually seen a couple of their hamper unboxing hauls before. Kate's Beauty Station, who else? Naomi Victoria, and Laura Meacham. They've all done them in the past, so yeah, some of my favourite YouTubers have worked with them, so I'm now working with them. So this will be obviously my full honest opinion. This isn't a sponsored video, this is a gifted video. I can't even lift up this box, but essentially what I can see right now is bubble wrap. I've not looked into it yet, I have no idea what's inside. This has literally just arrived and I'm like, I'm gonna sit down and film right now. Even though I'm a bit congested with the whole hay fever thing at the minute, I don't care. This is hopefully gonna perk me up a little bit. So this is their summer fashion and beauty hamper, and this crate will definitely come in handy for something. I quite like wooden home decorative pieces at the minute, especially like woven things. Like I've got this hemp poof thing here, which is from Amara. This is from TK, no it's not, it's from IKEA. We've got a hemp like woven seagrass basket from TK Maxx. The pillows and throws are in it, TK Maxx as well. That's still to go in our bedroom. We've got this one over here, which is Amara again, with a nice big palm in it. So yeah, crate will definitely come in handy. Okay, so I'm going to say it now so I don't have to say it for the rest of the video, because I feel like it's one of those things I say quite a lot. I will leave links to everything in this hamper haul down below. If you want to shop it, if anything catches your eye, the links will be all listed below. Hey Freya, finding clothes, some little gifts from us at falseeyelashes.co.uk. So I'm guessing these top two are from them. So first of all, we've got some red cherry eyelashes, 100% human hair, interesting. When I lived at uni, I used to love wearing eyelashes on like nights out, and red cherry would always be my go-to brand. And then also we have Coco lashes. These are called the Goddess lashes, nice and full. So we've got a little box here, completely plain, no idea what's inside. Ooh, secret scent box. So inside here we have the June edition secret scent box for her. Oh cool, okay, so they've included 3 little samples of different scents. So Vera Wang Princess. We also have Jean Paul Gaultier Classique Eau Fraîche. Yes, I speak a little French, hence the accent. Although it's probably rubbish, any French viewers out there? Gucci Flora Glorious Mandarin. I think I'm gonna love that one. Let me just smell that one, because why not? Oh my word, that is amazing. I knew I'd like that one. Oh, Gucci. So next up we have a hair mask. Great, because I've been recommended to do a hair mask more often, so I'm trying out a few different ones at the minute. So I'm going to try this one. This is from Organic Shop. It is the Lavish Avocado and Honey Natural Repairing Mask with no parabens, no silicons. Okay, and here we have, oh my god, Push Up Buttocks Sculpting Gel, shapes, smooths and firms. And it is essentially going to firm your buttocks. Now, I do actually have, it's from Clarins, and it is meant to like help reduce new cellulite and help tighten things. So you're meant to put it like bum and thighs area. So I'm guessing it will be similar to that. So I will use this. Okay, next up we have something from Natura Siberica. Savon du Grand Nord Nettoyage du Visage en Profondeur. So that's a soap. Yeah, Northern soap for deep facial cleansing. So this is based on activated charcoal. It's a soap filled with unique properties of revitalizing Siberian herbs and berries. Interesting. We also have a little box from Coco Eve, Like a Virgin, super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask, plus bonus tangle tamer brush with 2-tiered bristle technology. Fab. Again, another hair mask, which is definitely going to be stockpiled in my bathroom, as it's something I have been recommended to use more often. I absolutely love this branding. So that is the hair mask, and inside is a little, I literally use tangle teasers all the time, and Tom even does too. He has short hair, and it's definitely something I would recommend getting, and something I need right now, as you can tell. Okay, where to next? We've got some clothing here from Figleaves. So inside the first package we have a little bikini top, and this is in a size 10 in black. It's got a little padding on the inside as well, which I tend to take the padding out, to be honest with you, but if you like that extra support, that is there. I love this like 3-tiered band, and it's quite thick. I really like that design, and then it's got a little clasp at the back. Oh yes, love these. These are like super high-waisted, which I really like. Instead of a one piece, just getting that little pop of belly, and then when you are laid down on a sunbed, on holiday, or in this country at the minute because it is stifling, then you can just, you've got the flexibility of feeling sucked in whilst you're walking around and about. But if you are lying down, you can just kind of like roll it down a little bit and tan your tummy a little bit more. And it's got that matching 3-tiered paneling across the top. Oh, is this a little sexy something? So really cute Brazilian style. Oh my god, these are so soft. So these are in a size medium, and they are the Millie Lace Boy Shorts. I love this. See, I'd wear this like kind of popping out of the top a little bit. A little pop of lace with a nice like loose open shirt. I think it's really nice. And I have been to London before thinking that I was rocking that look, and somebody on the tube stopped me and said, look, your blouse is undone. Like, if you're my daughter, I'd want to tell you so. Do that. And I was like, thanks. It's meant to be like that. I got this in a size medium as well. Super, super pretty. I'm a sucker for good underwear. I always love treating myself with some good quality underwear. This is, again, another piece from Figleaves, and it is a nude bra. I like how everything comes individually wrapped as well. I do need a new staple nude strapless bra for some of those dresses that you can't get away with a little bralette like that. So perfect staple and something that I need. It's got those like little gel support bits as well, so you know it's not going to slide down. Oh, speaking of a nude strapless bra, we've also got one from Wonder Bra. I've never owned anything from Wonder Bra before. It's got like these padded support bits, which looks like hands pushing your boobs up. Havaianas. I don't think I've ever had, no, I've never had Havaianas before, so yay. And they are, oh, pretty. They're like a little gold, subtle gold design, very simple and understated. Love these. I feel like if I were to pick any pair of Havaianas in like any colour, I would go for something like muted like this, but you guys know that I'm all about the neutrals anyway. Okay, I've got a couple of other little bits here. Blender cleanser. I actually had one of these and it all ran out, so now I'll be able to use this one as well. Essentially, it's like a little soap bar that you can just use to wash either your brushes or beauty blender. And then this is a little sample of Eden Perfumes. Oh, this one's much lighter, like a bit more, even though the other one was orange, it's more fruity. This one's more citrusy, like, yeah, I like that one. I feel like they actually combine quite well together, those two. Okay, this looks to be a bikini in a gorgeous like lemony citrus colour. It is in size 10. Another bikini. I need to book a holiday now. Oh yeah, high-waisted again. Love this design. I just feel like it sucks everything in, holds it all together, but like I said, you've got the flexibility of rolling it down a little bit for when you're sunbathing. And then this is the top, really, really pretty. Love this. This is very me. I feel like I would want one of these in white and nude and black as well. And then I am quite loving lemon at the minute. So it's got an underwire and it's got a little knot detail there. And then this is this halter neck? Oh, it's like a crossover. So it crosses over at the back. Really, really pretty. And that's from the brand Pour Moi. A lot of French speaking in this video. Okay, so we've got, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let me just have a look at this. Calvin Klein, Calvin Klein, Calvin Klein, Calvin Klein. Yeah. Oh no, there's something else that's dropped down as well. This is the liquid blender cleanser. So that's again with the little soap that I've got. I can use the liquid version too. So this is like a beach coverall dress by the brand Marion Melhorn, which you can see there. And it is, like I said, ribbed. It's like perfect length for just going to the beach. It's got little slits on either side, and the ribbing, like the mesh in between, is kind of sheer, so that's why I'm thinking beach dress. It's got pretty little gem detailing there on the front as well. Just a perfect staple beach dress. But now I'm ending on some Calvin Klein pieces, which are all in the same tone. It's like a grey mull with flecks of like rainbow colours through it. So there's a brief and crop top set there, both in a size medium. So you've got bikini and a little crop top bralette. And then there is also a matching joggers. These are like my go-to for when I'm just lounging around the house, working from home. I love that these are all matching as well, so you can wear them together. They do refer to these as sleepwear. I've got them in a size medium. And then lastly, they have also sent me the matching, is this like, yeah, like a little sweater, which is again in a size medium, which is perfect for me. I'm usually typically a size 10 for reference. Let me just try and show you that mull so you can see the rainbow specks running throughout it. Can you see that? Really unique and different. So although it's grey, it's got a little something extra to it. So thank you so much to Social Network Solutions for being so generous and sending me this gorgeous hamper full of amazing goodies. Please subscribe if you haven't already, it means so much to me. I always leave my social media channels down below if you do want to come over and say hi anywhere else, and I will see you again next time. Bye guys. Time for the bloopers. I feel like there's been a few. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, that was a loud clap. Sorry about that. Okay. That was a bargain, that throw, by the way. £9. Eventually, 2 minutes in, and we're not even started yet. Which is a digital marking. Which is an. Okay. Oh god. This is literally just. Is my boob out? Just grab some scissors. Nail file will do. Hold on 1 second. It is the Lavish Organic. I mean, Lavish Avocado. Oh, I can't even say that word. Quite low. I've got my hair stuck in it. Okay. Oh god, I just need to calm down a little bit. I don't know where I got to. Guessing I got. Oh, how far should I go back? Also, I'm ending. Kind of like day side today, but not because it's too hot today. Okay, let me rephrase that. Thank you so much to SNS. Thank you so much to Social Networks for. As for now, I'm going to say goodbye. Please subscribe. As for now, please subscribe if you haven't already. It's down below and it's free, of course. As always.